Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to move values between one variable and another. First, let's add a new network, then go to the toolbox, and then select and drag a box with enable. I'll delete this contact, and let's rename this function block move. Okay, so the move function block is very simple. All it does is to move the values from one variable to another. So let's do that right now. So I'll create a new variable, move input, and another one which is different. And now test our logic. Let's press the login button. Now, if I change the variable move input value, let's say value 70, the move function block will automatically assign the same value to this other variable right here in its output. And that's how you use the move function block in Master Tool, and I see you on the next video.